By the end of this lecture, learners will be able to explore the essential components of effective essay writing, highlight the significance of mastering essay writing for academic success, outline practical techniques for dissecting complex essay prompts and developing focused arguments, assess how skilled essay writing skills promote critical thinking. Hello everyone and welcome. This lecture explores the importance of effective essay writing skills in an academic context. It highlights the significance of mastering essay writing and outlines practical techniques for analyzing complex essay prompts and developing focused arguments. Furthermore, it connects theory and practice, emphasizing how these writing strategies enhance learners' understanding, promote critical thinking, and enable them to relate their experiences. This fosters a culture of continuous growth and self-discovery, enriching both their academic and personal lives. So, let's begin with this question. What strategies can learners use to effectively analyze and deconstruct complex essay prompts? In the competitive field of graduate and postgraduate studies, the ability to write well-crafted essays serves as a critical indicator of academic prowess. Students pursuing advanced degrees must demonstrate their mastery of complex topics through clear, structured writing that reflects deep understanding and analytical thinking. The essay writing process, methodical and purposeful, involves transforming sophisticated concepts into coherent arguments that withstand scholarly scrutiny. Candidates may face intricate prompts and multifaceted questions. They have to show their strategic precision and creative insight to balance theoretical frameworks with practical applications, creating work that contributes meaningfully to their field. Each paragraph carefully constructed, each argument thoughtfully developed, and each conclusion masterfully drawn mirror the intellectual depth required in advanced degree programs. Analysis and original thinking play a pivotal role in academia, and evolve into powerful demonstrations of scholarly capability, serving as stepping stones toward academic excellence and professional distinction in their chosen fields. The importance of strong essay writing skills. Effective essay writing allows candidates to convey their research interests, justify their methodology, and engage with existing literature in a meaningful way, showcasing their preparedness for advanced academic work. Furthermore, strong writing skills are essential for communicating research findings and contributing to scholarly discussions, making them a foundational asset for academic success. Ultimately, mastering essay writing not only enhances performance in tests but also lays the groundwork for a successful academic career. Consider the following skills. 1. Clarity of thought. Writing clearly is essential for articulating complex ideas, as it allows you to convey your understanding of intricate concepts in a manner that is accessible to your readers. When you can express your thoughts succinctly and coherently, it demonstrates your grasp of the subject matter and your ability to engage with it critically. Clear writing helps eliminate ambiguity, ensuring that your arguments and analyses are easily understood. This clarity is particularly important in a master and a PhD program, where the ability to communicate sophisticated theories and findings can significantly influence how your work is perceived by peers and faculty alike. 2. Argument development. Essays require the construction of logical and coherent arguments, which is a fundamental skill for defending a point of view. In the context of a PhD, you will often need to present your research findings and theoretical contributions in a compelling way. Developing strong arguments involves not just stating your position but also providing evidence, anticipating counter-arguments, and synthesizing information from various sources. Mastering argument development enhances your overall academic performance and prepares you for future scholarly debates. 3. Critical thinking. Strong writing is inherently tied to critical thinking, as it requires the analysis and evaluation of different perspectives. Learners will encounter a multitude of theories, methodologies, and viewpoints. The ability to critically assess these differing perspectives and articulate your position in writing is essential for advancing knowledge in your field. This skill fosters intellectual rigor and also encourages open-mindedness and adaptability, allowing you to refine your arguments and contribute meaningfully to academic discourse. 4. Communication. Effective writing is a vital means of communicating your ideas to others, making it a necessary skill for academic publishing and collaboration. In the academic world, your ability to convey your research findings, insights, and arguments clearly and persuasively can open doors to new opportunities and academic perspectives. This ability to articulate your ideas enhances your visibility as a researcher and paves the way for an academic career. 5. Attention to detail. Crafting well-organized essays reflects careful attention to detail, which is crucial for maintaining academic rigor. The quality of your writing can significantly impact the reception of your research. Attention to detail involves paying attention to grammatical mistakes, punctuation, coherence, and also ensuring that your arguments are logically structured and that your sources are accurately cited. Understanding questions and prompts. Understanding the essay prompt is a critical first step in crafting a successful academic response. At its core, the prompt serves as a comprehensive roadmap, providing clear guidance on the expected approach, scope, and objectives of your writing task. Effective prompt analysis involves carefully examining key instructional verbs, such as analyze, discuss, compare, or evaluate, which signal the specific intellectual engagement required. These action words are not mere suggestions, but precise directives that determine the depth and nature of your response. Learners must meticulously break down the prompt, identify its central questions, understand the required perspective, and recognize any implicit expectations. This process goes beyond surface-level reading. It demands a strategic deconstruction that reveals the prompt's underlying academic requirements. The importance of a thorough analysis of the essay question. The ability to accurately understand and respond to an essay question involves writing skills and sophisticated academic intelligence that can handle complex intellectual challenges with precision and insight. Thus, a thorough analysis of the essay question is essential for effective academic writing. This process helps ensure that students fully understand what is being asked and can respond appropriately. Key reasons for conducting a detailed analysis include: 1. Clarity of expectations. By breaking down the question, learners can identify the specific requirements, including the type of response needed. This clarity allows them to adapt their arguments or analyses to meet the expectations of the assignment, ensuring that they address all aspects of the question rather than providing a vague or incomplete response. 2. Identification of key terms. Understanding important terms and directives, such as analyze, discuss, or critique, helps clarify the approach that should be taken in the essay. Each of these terms carries a distinct meaning and implies a different method of engagement with the topic. For example, analyze suggests a deeper examination of components, while discuss may require a broader exploration of various perspectives. Recognizing these nuances is vital for crafting a relevant and focused essay. 3. Focused research. A thorough analysis allows learners to hone in on relevant sources and information, ensuring that their research directly addresses the question. By understanding the specific aspects of the topic that need to be covered, students can seek out literature, data, and examples that are pertinent, which ultimately strengthens their argument and enhances the overall quality of their writing. 4. Avoiding misinterpretation. Learners must carefully examine the question to avoid common pitfalls, such as straying off topic or misinterpreting the prompt. Misinterpretation can lead to essays that do not answer the question posed, resulting in lower grades and missed opportunities to demonstrate understanding. A detailed analysis helps students stay aligned with the prompt's intent, ensuring that their writing remains relevant and focused. 5. Structured responses. Analyzing the question enables students to create a clear outline or structure for their essays, leading to more organized and coherent writing. A well-structured response improves readability and guides the reader through the argument or analysis logically. By mapping out their ideas in advance, students can ensure that each point they make is connected to the question and contributes to a cohesive overall argument. In summary, a thorough analysis of the essay question not only enhances understanding but also lays the groundwork for a focused and effective academic response. By investing time in this initial stage, students significantly improve their chances of producing high-quality essays that meet the demands of their assignments. Outlining your ideas. Outlining your ideas before writing an essay is a crucial step that can significantly enhance the clarity and coherence of your argument. An outline serves as a roadmap, helping you organize your thoughts and ensuring that your writing flows logically from one point to the next. By breaking down your main ideas into sections, you can identify the key arguments you want to make and the evidence needed to support them. Creating a comprehensive outline is a fundamental strategy for developing a coherent and well-structured academic essay. This preparatory step transforms abstract thoughts into a systematic framework for writing. The key benefits of outlining include: 1. Structural clarity. An outline provides a clear plan for your essay, helping you organize your thoughts logically and ensuring that each section flows smoothly into the next. By mapping out your main arguments and supporting points, you create a roadmap that guides both the writing and reading process. This clarity helps in writing and also allows readers to easily follow your line of reasoning, enhancing their understanding of your argument. 2. Idea prioritization. Through outlining, you can critically evaluate the importance of different ideas and arrange them in a meaningful sequence. This process allows you to identify the most compelling arguments and determine the most effective order for presenting them, maximizing the impact of your essay. Prioritizing ideas helps ensure that your strongest points are highlighted and that the overall argument builds effectively toward your conclusion, creating a persuasive narrative. 3. Research guidance. A well-constructed outline helps focus your research efforts by highlighting areas that require additional evidence or supporting information. It acts as a strategic tool for identifying knowledge gaps and directing your investigative work more efficiently. By knowing what specific information you need for each section, you can target your research, saving time and ensuring that your essay is well supported by credible sources. 4. Time management. By breaking down the essay into distinct sections and subsections, an outline helps manage the writing process more effectively. It provides a sense of direction and prevents writer's block by offering a clear path forward. With a structured outline, you can set realistic goals for completing each part of the essay, making it easier to allocate your time wisely and meet deadlines without feeling overwhelmed. 5. Coherence and flow. An outline ensures that your essay maintains a logical progression of ideas, creating a cohesive argument that is easy for readers to follow. It helps prevent repetition and ensures that each paragraph contributes meaningfully to the overall thesis. By establishing connections between points in your outline, you can create transitions that enhance the flow of your writing, making your argument more compelling and easier to digest. In essence, outlining is not just a preparatory step but a critical thinking exercise that transforms complex ideas into a structured, compelling academic narrative. By investing time in this process, you lay the groundwork for a well-organized essay that effectively communicates your ideas and engages your readers. Revising and editing. Revising and editing represent critical transformative stages in the academic writing process, where raw intellectual content is carefully sculpted into a polished, professional manuscript. This multifaceted approach goes beyond superficial correction, engaging in a comprehensive intellectual refinement that elevates the quality of academic work. The triumvirate of clarity, grammar, and style represents the foundational pillars of sophisticated academic communication, transforming complex intellectual ideas into coherent, compelling scholarly discourse. This intricate linguistic framework serves as a critical mechanism for translating sophisticated thoughts into accessible, precise academic language. Clarity. Clarity represents a fundamental academic skill that transforms complex intellectual ideas into accessible, comprehensible communication. By systematically eliminating linguistic ambiguity, learners create a precise communication framework that bridges sophisticated thinking with immediate understanding. This approach to intellectual transparency involves carefully crafting language that is both sophisticated and immediately intelligible, ensuring that complex ideas are presented with maximum precision and minimal confusion. Grammatical precision. Grammatical precision represents a critical foundation of scholarly communication, serving as the architectural framework that supports clear, professional intellectual writing. By meticulously maintaining structural linguistic integrity, academics transform raw ideas into coherent, logically constructed arguments that demonstrate sophisticated writing skills. This approach goes beyond mere technical correctness, embodying a profound commitment to intellectual rigor and professional linguistic competence. Stylistic sophistication. Stylistic sophistication in academic writing is more than just adhering to technical language. It is the art of incorporating an engaging narrative that captivates the reader's intellect. Learners can strike a delicate balance between rigorous expertise and accessible discourse. This involves carefully choosing words that are both precise and adequate, showcasing skilled competence while tackling different tests and exams. Such an approach helps the learners to explore complex ideas without feeling alienated by jargon, ultimately enriching the learning experience. Conclusion. Academic essay writing skills are crucial for learners because they help convey ideas clearly and effectively. When students learn how to structure their essays with a strong introduction, well-organized body paragraphs, and a clear conclusion, they can present their arguments in a compelling way. These skills also encourage critical thinking, as learners must analyze information and support their points with evidence. By practicing essay writing, students not only improve their communication skills but also prepare for future academic and professional challenges. Ultimately, mastering essay writing empowers learners to express their thoughts confidently and persuasively.